concrete marble chips and die, and the men who put this floor down make 25 cents an hour. So Hoover, Grand Coulee, and the beginning of Shasta was built during the Depression. Through those doors are the tunnels. They're all concrete in. We used to do it at 9/11, but we can't do it anymore. Well, all right, whatever. On the other side of that wall is the lake. If you walk down a city block and you made that block a solid piece of concrete, that's how far the lake is from us. The water seeps through the blocks and gathers in a gutter system. There are pumps all through the dam that is pumping this water out. Remember, the dam is still curing. It will take 100 years to cure, and we got about 33 more years left. 2045.
You gonna be here for all of it?
Yes, I do.
Come on.
And you're gonna be pushing the chair. I'm sorry. All right, you little beauties, you're gonna walk down this hallway. We're gonna walk down this hallway, and we're gonna walk the thickness of the dam at this level. Come on,